In the previous clip, we talked about a few core issues related to project management, and we introduced the rules of the game concept. If you haven't seen it, I suggest that you check it out. In this clip, we're going to focus on one aspect of project management, and that's requirement management. We're going to reveal another secret related to the rules of the game and why projects are delayed, exceed budget, and in many cases, don't come out as designed.
Research shows that 71% of software projects that fail do so because of poor requirements management. This is the biggest reason for project failure. The Standish CHAOS Report, which surveyed over 9,200 IT projects, found that the top 3 causes of project failure were lack of user input, incomplete requirements, or changing requirements.
Another secret we want to share with you today is you cannot win a game without solid strategy. Requirements management defines the project and provides a framework that enables you to track and complete the project progress and objectives. It's like a basketball game. First, the team designs the game strategy. They do that before the game, and then they discuss and practice it and implement it in the game.
A product requirement is anything that's required to make a product complete and successful. There are high-level requirements which must be broken down into smaller individual items for each function, and then documented and then tracked.
Requirements management is not just a process that you do at the beginning of the project. Just like in a ball game, the game strategy needs to be monitored and updated during the game. Requirements management is a process that gets the most focus at startup, but then monitored and updated continually throughout the project lifecycle. Just like a coach will call a timeout or talk to his players during halftime to make sure that the strategy is still working and if it needs to be changed.
It's best to use software designed for requirements documentation to document the process. This will allow better product development and tracking once the requirement stage is completed and the development phase starts. The software should track the list of requirements that will be the source of data for all other steps in the requirement phase.
It's common that teams treat anything that's not coding as a waste of time. Many companies are eager to start with the coding of the project as soon as possible because it gives them a feeling that they're working on the project and tend to neglect or don't give enough attention to the requirements management process. It's just like a basketball player that wants to start dribbling and playing instead of sitting in the locker and thinking about strategy. You can be an excellent dribbler and shooter, but you can't win a game without strategy.
We're going to teach step-by-step how to plan your project strategy and create the requirements. We've developed a simple system that you can implement right away. In fact, the new system is so powerful that you'll call us and ask us not to sell it to anyone else. If you have any questions, suggestions, or requests, please don't hesitate to contact our support at support@elementool.com.